Good day everyone, especially to our instructor, Sir Liar Cayos, and today we will discuss determine the dipping range from the ship to the lighthouse in estimating vessel's position. The dipping range is the distance at which the light from a lighthouse just appears rising or just disappears dipping over the horizon as seen from the ship. It is important in navigation because it helps the navigator estimate the vessel's distance from lighthouse and therefore determine the ship's approximate position at sea. Ang dipping range mao ang distansya kung asa makita o mawala ang suga sa lighthouse sa horizon. Gamit ni siya para ma-estimate kung asa kadapit sa dagat in relation to the lighthouse. Mas taas ang ilaw o mas taas imong mata, mas layo makita ang suga. And that's all. Thank you.